Maria, how we were talking about a Sunday sauce. You've made it for years.
Yeah.
How do you make the Sunday
Okay,
sauce?
you put olive oil,
Yeah.
then you put onion,
Yeah.
you put a garlic too. I don't put a garlic, I don't care for
You let it sweat.
And then you let it make blonde, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put a basilico, fresh basil.
Mm-hmm.
Basilico, you know the green things?
Yeah.
Yeah, you cut, wash good, put in,
Yeah.
and make it very blonde together.
Mm-hmm.
Then when you finish, you put all you got of that sauce already made, you know, in the cans. I don't do that. I put the fresh tomato.
What kind of tomatoes do you use? Roma?
Yeah, the long one,
Mm-hmm.
the big one.
Yeah.
I do 20 because I do for my daughter too.
What about, do you add the meats then, or when do you
And
add the
then
meat?
you put, after that, you put a hamburger meat, you know, the one small one.
Mm-hmm.
You put on the top of the oil you already made the blonde. And you let the meat come a blonde too.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you let it cook a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you put a sauce,
What kind of meat do you
they
usually
took-
use? Sausage or ground beef?
ground beef. I like ground beef better.
I guess it's healthier.
Yeah, depends what you like.
And you don't add it. You don't. What about spices?
No spice at my place. No,
Okay.
my place. You put a salt, you put a pepper, that's it.
Yeah. So you don't
My
use it.
food is very simple.
Yeah, you don't use any tomato paste. It's strictly from the tomatoes.
Oh yeah, you can when
can
when you buy cans already made salsa,
Yeah.
and then you made a tomato paste. You use one big one and
Yeah.
tomato paste small one.
Now you
For
were.
you.
No, yeah, for you. I'll have to try it someday. So you were saying to me also.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter the day. You make it Monday, Tuesday. It's
Every
not
day.
just-
You know, I make it 3 times a week.
so it could be a Tuesday sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
For tomorrow. You make it today,
And then
you
you can
eat
use
it
it
tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.